students, today we will discuss about the types of errors in Java. Okay, one student from St. Thomas has asked for the types of errors. Okay, she has asked for discussing it. Other than this, the book is published for class 9th and 10th both. Okay, so it is available in the soft copy form, that is ebook, Kindle edition on Amazon. So from there you can purchase it and study from there. You can also rent it for 30 days and study. Okay, surely study from there. It is very useful. All the definitions, examples, programs are very good ones, and difficult programs majorly I have solved. So you will benefit a lot in the exam. So please do it. Okay, please purchase and study. And also give the rating and review for the book when you purchase it. So let us discuss the errors. First of all, what is an error? Okay, so I am showing you the definition also, which I have written in my book itself. The unexpected situation which occurs during compiling or executing the program is known as an error. Okay, so I will decrease the font size a bit. This much is enough. Okay, so the unexpected situation which occur during compiling or executing the program is known as error. It is the three types: syntax, logical, and runtime. So what do we mean by syntax error? The error which is detected after compiling the program is known as syntax error. Means when you compile, then the compiler will detect the error. So that is a runtime error. उसको runtime error बोलते हैं. It is related to the grammar of the program. अब grammar का मतलब क्या हो गया? जैसे missing semicolon is there, means semicolon is required, you have not typed, used capital letter instead of small, or even a small instead of capital, spelling mistake is there, missing brackets are there. Such types of errors are syntax errors. Okay, see, I have given one example also, a screenshot. Like I have written one program for calculating the simple interest. So in this line scanner SC equal to new scanner, I have shown the error also. Red line is coming and the error is displayed over here. Semicolon expected. So this is a syntax error. Okay, so like this many syntax errors can be generated. Then see here, a scanner should be written with capital S. It is an inbuilt class. I have written a small s. So cannot find symbol class scanner. It is also writing small s over here. So this is also a syntax error. Okay. Then we have logical error. Logical error means the error which is related to the logic of the program and cannot be detected by the computer. Computer को समझ में नहीं आएगा logical error. That the user has to find on his or on her own and correct it. Okay. The error which is related to the logic of the program and cannot be detected by the compiler is known as logical error. For example, used multiplication operator instead of division. Like I ask you to divide two numbers. Instead of dividing, you multiply the number. So how will computer understand? What was the question asking you to do? It will simply multiply if you write the multiplication operator, or it will divide if you write the division operator. So, but the answer will come wrong. That is logical error. See here. Again, same program I have taken, simple interest one. P into R into T, it should be divided by 100. I have written into 100. So here I have written one comment also. Here formula for finding simple interest should be this one, PRT by 100. But the compiler will not be able to detect that and it display wrong output due to multiplication sign. Okay. So see, and you notice class compiled, no syntax errors, because it is not a syntax error, because multiplication operator I have used, I know that I have done the mistake, but for computer the multiplication operator is also correct and the division operator is also correct. So whatever I give the instruction, it will give the answer. See, I have shown the answer also. See, your principal is 5500. Rate is 3%, time is 2 years. Simple interest is coming how much? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. 33 lakhs simple interest is coming. So obviously it is wrong. Then we will, I have written the correct simple interest also. It should be 330 rupees. Now runtime error or exception. It is a type of error which occurs during the execution of a program, during the execution, not while compilation, okay, due to which either the output is incomplete or not output, no output is displayed. Okay, spelling mistake is there, or no output is displayed. Instead of that, the runtime error appears. A runtime error is also known as an exception. ठीक है, तो प्रोग्राम को कंपाइल रन करेंगे तो आउटपुट नहीं आएगा, उसके जगह पे एरर आएगा, या इनकम्प्लीट आउटपुट आएगा, उसके बाद एरर आएगा, तो उसको बोलते हैं रन टाइम एरर. देखो एग्जांपल, जैसे सिंपल इंटरेस्ट वाला प्रोग्राम में ही फॉर्मूला में देखो P इंटू आर इंटू टी डिवाइड बाई 100 होना चाहिए, 0 से डिवाइड कर दिया, तो 0 से डिवाइड करने से रन टाइम एरर जनरेट होता है. सो दिस इज अ रन टाइम एरर. सी क्लास कंपाइल्ड, no syntax errors it is showing, but when I will run the program it will display error. So you can read the error, java.lang.arithmetic exception, division by 0. So this will be the error displayed by the computer. Okay, so it is a runtime error or it is an exception. Okay, other than this, dividing any number by 0 I have shown, it will generate a runtime error. Then another runtime error can be generated by finding the square root of a negative number. That is also arithmetic exception. And then one more error, suppose you are having an array of size 5. Okay, then the location numbers will be from 0 to 4. If you want to access any location number beyond 4, then it will display a runtime error, array index out of bounds exception. That is a runtime error. Okay, same error will come in string also. In string also we count the position number of the characters from 0. So there also if you will access beyond the range, it will also display string index out of bounds exception. That is also a runtime error. Okay. Some notes I have given on exception handling also. Here also I have explained the runtime error. When a program terminates in between execution, it is called a runtime error. It is called that a runtime error has occurred. And when a runtime error occurs, the Java compiler calls it an exception. Actually, children, exception is also a class name. Okay, and types of exceptions are its subclasses. Means exception is the superclass, and types of exception like arithmetic exception, IO exception, null pointer exception, okay, string index out of bounds exception, arrays index out of bounds exception, all are the subclasses or the child classes of the superclass exception, and it is written with capital E. Now see, this exception must be trapped, otherwise the program will be terminated in between the execution. The process of trapping this error is called exception handling. Okay, and the following blocks are used to trap the exceptions: try, catch, throw, throws, finally. For these 5 blocks, you have to learn the names only. Sirf names याद करना, you don't have to learn the definition. Then also I am telling you the definition. Try block क्या होता है? Try block is used to write those statements where there is an exception of generating a runtime error. Means where there is a chance of generating the runtime errors. Those lines are written inside try. Then catch is written after try block to catch the exception. So we write catch exception and the object of the class exception E. Then throw. Throw is a keyword which is used to throw one runtime error out of the program. Throws is used to trap multiple runtime errors. Okay, and finally is a block which will execute at any cost whether an exception is generated or not. It is written at the last after try catch. So this is all about exception handling. Okay, thank you children. Please study from the videos, study from the book, send your doubts. All your doubts will be cleared. Study properly. ठीक है, and attempt all the questions in the board exam. In theory, don't leave any question at all. And from programming, best 4 will be marked. ठीक है, 6 में से 4 ही बनाना होता है, लेकिन बेस्ट 4 का मार्क्स मिलता है. जैसे तुम पूरा 6 बना दिए तो जिस 4 में सबसे ज़्यादा मार्क्स आएगा वही 4 ऐड होगा. तो कम से कम 5 प्रोग्राम बोर्ड एग्जाम में ज़रूर बनाना. ट्राई टू सॉल्व मिनिमम 5 programs, but don't be in a hurry to solve all the 6 programs. Otherwise, in hurry you will do a mistake also. Other than this, you study the programs in a systematic way. From my side, hint is that from arrays 2 programs will come. One, most probably one will be selection sorting, one will be from double dimensional array. Okay, then from series and pattern one program will surely come. Either it may come by means to solve by using switch case or through function overloading. Then one type of number will surely come, that is coming every year. It is not at all difficult. Type of number difficult नहीं देता है, सिर्फ उसका लॉजिक को लिखा रहेगा, एक्सप्लेन किया रहेगा नंबर, उसको अच्छे से पढ़ोगे सॉल्व हो जाएगा. Like this 4 programs are there. Then one program from class and object, that is the very first program of section B. Class and object program is there. Okay, constructor can be used, it cannot be used also, but this year constructor will be there, I think. Okay, and then one program from strings chapter, that is sure. So like this the programming will come. And MCQs I have uploaded on the channel. Many MCQs videos are there, means all the 15 chapters MCQ I have given, so you study it thoroughly. If you study that much, so you will be able to solve all the MCQs because related questions will be there. Other than that, finding outputs will be there, and obviously some definitions and differences will also be there. So like this the program will be done. So in section A, don't leave any question, solve all the questions. In section B, solve minimum 5 programs. Like that you should attempt. Okay, thank you.